Good morning, dear students. How are you all of, dear students? After 2 3 days, our class is started. Yes, no, dear students. Okay, I hope you all people are well. Okay, and anyway, dear students, again it's my pleasure that I have got a chance to teach a few lines on chemistry to you. Okay, I hope you will got it. Dear students, many times I told you all of us know chemistry is a vital or important parts of our science. There are many more involved in chemistry that we will come across in our plus 2 first year level or plus 2 level. Anyway, dear students, out of part, today I am going to teach you your interest one interesting topic or important lesson or important subtopics of the first physical chemistry. Okay, the atoms, molecules, compounds. Then today will be discussed what do you mean by atomic number, valency, basically the structure of atoms. Okay, what structure of atoms. तो पिले आज तुम मानक को विषय डिस्कस करेंगे स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम्स केमिस्ट्री बेसिक्स कांसेप्ट फंडामेंटल जानिया पाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड बी क्लियर द स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ एटम्स. Okay, dear students, getting my point, all of you? Okay, but when we go to discuss the inside of deeply structure of atom, the little bit we have to go back whatever we discussed at our last class. आम स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आटम डिस्कस करने पूर्वर आम मु तुम मानक टे रिवाइज करदेवी मु कौन सब पढ़ाई थी लास्ट क्लास रे. ओके पिला माने से विषय टे पढ़ा डिस्कस करिया. देखो मु ट्री डायग्राम करके तुमको कर देछि जल्दी सरजिवो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तुमर जो दी तीन टा क्लास नहीं थी फिले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय साइंस. So dear students, all of us know I am not going to explain you again deeply of ମୁଁ ଆଉ ତାର पर्टिकुलर एते भीतर को जाई कहबी नहीं पिले खाली नॉर्मली ता विषय कहीदेवी. ओके ना आम पिले साइंस माने कौन डिस्कस करथिले. साइंस इज ए सिस्टमैटिकल नॉलेज which is experimental observation a things. Please all of you listen properly. Okay, this is known as our science. Example: chair, table, pen, duster, power bank. Power bank, this is power bank. How to consist of power bank, whatever things, many things is presence of our surroundings. Okay, this is our science. एंड कही विज्ञान साइंस नेवा द्वारा बा विज्ञान नेवा द्वारा कौन हुए सेटा मुझे कहबी ना जेहेतु तुम साइंस स्ट्रीम रे जॉइनिंग है कि किसी क्लास कर सारे. दिस साइंस आर classified into two parts. One is physical science, another is a life science. What I told you, dear students, physical science means bhautika vigyana, life science means jiva vigyana. Okay, then physical science means what? Physical science is a science which is defined as a physical phenomena and a natural happening. Okay, sir, give example. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. The earth moves around the sun. A fruit fall down after being detached from the tree. These are the genuine examples of a physical science. Okay, next, life science. Life science means study of plants and animals or human beings, organisms. Okay, these physical science are further classified in two parts. One is physics, another is chemistry. Already I mentioned here, dear students. I told you at the last class. Physics means what, dear students? Physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of natural happening and physical phenomena are known as physics. Okay, example of physics is the same. Similarly, example of a physical science. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. The earth moves around the sun. A fruit fell down after being detached from the tree. When two stones are friction or against each other, then sound and fire will be formed. This is your physics formula. And do you know one thing? Who is the father of physics? Galileo Galilei. Okay. Next, chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition of matter and chemical changes involved in it. କହିଥିଲି ପିଲେ composition of matter and chemical involved in it. This chemistry, the father of chemistry, Antoine Lavoisier. Okay, please all of you remember. Next, dear students, zoology. These life sciences are also classified into two parts. One is zoology, another is botany. Zoology means what? Zoology is also a branch of science which deals with the study of animals and human beings are known as zoology. Botany means study of a plant organisms are known as botany. The father of zoology is known as Aristotle, and the father of botany is known as Theophrastus. Theophrastus. Okay, I hope you all people shall know that. Next पिले चलो डिस्कस करवा कमिंग टू आवर टॉपिक कमिंग टू माय सब्जेक्ट्स केमिस्ट्री जेहेतु मो सब्जेक्ट केमिस्ट्री से आउ थे मुझे एक्सप्लेन कर केमिस्ट्री कौन पढ़ाई केमिस्ट्री मीन्स केमिस्ट्री इज ए ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस व्हिच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ कंपोजिशन ऑफ मैटर एंड केमिकल चेंजेस इन्वॉल्व्ड इन इट कही कंपोजिशन ऑफ मैटर एंड केमिकल चेंजेस कंपोजिशन मीन्स एनीथिंग कंपोजिट एनीथिंग दैट हैज कंपोजिट मैटर मीन्स कही anything that has mass and occupies space and chemical changes रासायनिक परिवर्तन chemical means what chemical is a substance which is obtained in a artificial or chemical process देखो पिला मैंने तुमको लास्ट जो दी तीन क्लास रे जहाँ पढ़ी थी सेटा रिवीजन कर दूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम कौन पढ़ी थी पिले ब्रांचेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री so dear students there are certain branches are there of chemistry one is physical chemistry second one is organic chemistry third one is inorganic fourth one is analytical fifth one is biochemistry last one is industrial chemistry so one by one I am discussing analytical biochemistry industrial chemistry these three portions are when you go to the higher class that time you have to learn these three branches but according to your plus 2 level CHSE NCERT or SCRT physical organic inorganic is there your courses okay. So first of all we have to discuss what do you mean by physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of fundamental principle underlying various chemical reaction or phenomena. Different type of chemical reaction मानकर मूल विषय रे जानी यह को इम्पोर्टेंस देबा ही हमर physical chemistry मु कहिथिली पढ़ेइथिली नोट्स देबी नेक्स्ट पिले ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री मन कौन कही स्टडी ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन्स एंड देयर डेरिवेटिव्स हाइड्रोकार्बन मान विषय पढ़ा और से हाइड्रोकार्बन मानकर व्युत्पन्न करवा डेरिवेटिव्स माने व्याख्या करवा एक्सप्लेन करवा सॉल्व करवा ना सर को माने हाइड्रोकार्बन आल्केन आल्किन अल्काइन ऑलरेडी यू लर्न इन योर बिफोर क्लासेस बिफोर ईयर स्टैंडर्ड 10th लेवल रे पढ़िथिबो कार्बन इट्स कंपाउंड रे अछि नेक्स्ट पिले इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री Inorganic chemistry is also a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of all the elements and their compounds. एटी क्या विषय एक्सप्लेन करे स्टडी ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स समस्त प्रकार मौलिक एवं सेमानकर यौगिक विषय रे आलोचना करबा होची पिले हमर इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्लियर. नेक्स्ट एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री कौन कही पिले एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री इज also a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of detection and estimation of all the elements and compounds समस्त प्रकार